The goal isn't adding random furniture, it's giving each area its own purpose. In this video, you'll see how this home was transformed into a modern minimalist space with better layouts, cleaner details, and intentional furniture choices. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. First, the living area. The seating layout opens up the room and defines a clear focal point. Next, the dining area. The table connects naturally with the living space while staying functional. Then, the staircase hallway. The hallway now serves a purpose with storage and smoother circulation. Little by little, each area gains purpose. The living area feels organized, the dining zone is defined, and even the staircase hallway works efficiently. The biggest improvement didn't come from more furniture. It came from smarter layouts, better storage, and intentional focal points. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.